Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most essential features in Adobe Illustrator, the artboard. Think of artboards as your creative canvases, little stages where your ideas come to life. Whether you're designing a bold logo, a vibrant poster, or a scroll-stopping social media graphic, artboards help you organize, scale, and export your designs like a pro. So grab your coffee, open up Illustrator, and let's explore how artboards can totally transform your creative workflow. Let's get creative. When you're starting a new project in Illustrator, the first thing you'll do is create a new document. Here, you can give your project a clear name, something that helps you recognize it later. Next, choose how many artboards you want, and decide how they're arranged. You can set the exact width and height for your artboards, and change the unit type, pixels, inches, millimeters, or whatever fits your workflow. Need to add a printing margin? Set a bleed value right here, so nothing important gets trimmed off. You can also adjust your background contents and pick a color mode, RGB for digital work, or CMYK for print projects. Finally, choose your raster effects resolution, 72 ppi for screen graphics or 300 ppi for print. Once everything looks good, click Create, and Illustrator instantly builds your workspace with all those settings ready to go. It's quick, flexible, and helps you stay organized right from the very first step. Once your document is ready, it's time to start creating and managing artboards. To add a new artboard, go to the Artboard tool in the toolbar, or press Shift+O. Click and drag on your canvas to create a custom-sized artboard wherever you need it. You can also duplicate existing artboards by selecting one, holding Alt or Option on Mac, and dragging it to a new position. This is a great way to maintain consistency across multiple designs. Rearranging artboards is simple. Just select them and drag them to the order you want. Illustrator makes it easy to snap artboards into place for a clean, organized layout. Need to resize an artboard? Select it with the Artboard tool, then adjust the width and height in Properties panel, or manually drag the corners. You can rename artboards to keep track of each design, which is especially helpful when working on multiple projects in a single document. Finally, when you're ready to export, Illustrator allows you to export each artboard individually or all together, giving you flexibility for different formats and resolutions. Managing artboards efficiently keeps your workflow smooth and makes complex projects much easier to handle.